We'll guide you through how to fix common Blender issues that you might encounter. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender and head straight to the Edit menu at the top. From there, you need to select Preferences. This is where most of the magic happens when it comes to tweaking Blender to work smoothly. Once you have the Preferences window open, navigate to the System tab on the left-hand side. Here, you want to make sure that your graphics card is selected under the Cycles Render Devices. If you have a compatible GPU, this can significantly speed up rendering times and resolve lag issues. Next, adjust the memory and limit settings to optimize performance. Increase the memory cache limit if you're working with large files to prevent crashes. Now, switch to the VIDU port tab and lower the number of samples for preview rendering if you experience lag while modeling. Sometimes, enabling the denoising feature can also help with performance issues during rendering. Once you've made these adjustments, click Save Preferences to ensure your changes are kept for future sessions. If you're still facing issues, consider updating your graphics drivers, as outdated drivers can cause compatibility problems with Blender. Also, check for any Blender updates as newer versions often come with bug fixes and performance improvements. For more stubborn issues, resetting Blender to factory settings can sometimes help. You can do this by going to File, then Defaults, and selecting Load Factory Settings. Remember, this will reset any customization you've done, so use it as a last resort. Hopefully, these steps get your Blender running smoothly again, allowing you to focus on creating amazing projects. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.